Let's create this beautiful Vicky James dress. This dress is having a zipper at the center front. And this is our back. You can also open it up at the back. So this is it for our front, and we are marking our waistline. This is our waistline. Let's work on one of the front pattern. We are following our dart leg to draw this line, and we also draw on the second pattern this way. We follow our dart leg to draw a straight line, and our waistline we go this way. So we'll be cutting it out like so. Yes, we have cut it out. We do the same thing on the other side. At the waist also, we connect it to the dart leg and we cut it out. So this is what we'll be having after cutting it out. This is for the front. So remember, we are having a zipper at the front, and this is our back. So at the waist area, we'll also be cutting it out to separate the up and down. So we are cutting it out this way. We can either use our slash and spread method for this, but I will be showing you how to go about it without using the slash and spread method. So we'll just measure what we have on the waist, both on the front and at the back. So whatever you have there, like here we are having 16.5, so we can multiply it by 2. Depending on the fullness you want to achieve, you can multiply whatever you have gotten by 3 as well. If you want it fuller, you multiply by 2 or you multiply by 3, depending on the fullness you want to achieve. So this is it, and we'll be cutting a material that is equal to whatever figure we have gotten. This is it. So I'm making use of whatever I have at the waist multiplied by 2. That is what we are marking there, and that is the paper size. Whatever we have at the waist, we multiply it by 2. So let's cross check it to make sure we are having exactly that number. Like I said earlier, you can use your slash and spread methods for this. So what we'll be doing next is to pleat, or you can gather it. If you don't want to pleat it, you can gather. We'll pleat it or you gather it so that it will be equal to whatever you have at that waist area. So this is it after we are done pleating it, and we are having exactly the waist measurement. Remember to sew your darts, close up your side seam before attaching this. So this is it after we are done attaching it. This is how it looks. I hope it came out nice. So because this is done on paper, you may not see the beauty. So this is exactly how to achieve that beautiful design. So please consider to like, share and subscribe. Yes, this is our beautiful dress. Look at it. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.